Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. Welcome back if you're one of my lovely previous viewers, and if you're new to my channel then you're so very welcome. This week we're going to be doing some fashion. Now, I don't know about you, but sometimes in the January sales I see things that I just simply have to have. And I might not buy them the rest of the year, but in the January sales you can get some great deals. And this year I've got a couple of things, well, 5 things to show you that I bought and didn't actually spend that much money on. So without further ado, I'm going to talk about the clothes in voiceover, and I hope you enjoy the video. This is the Killstar Rare to Die tunic, which, as you can see, has the slogan, "Too weird to live, too rare to die." It also has a reproduction of an engraving used in the early 1700s by a Frenchman to illustrate a travel guide to the Taiwanese islands, which he completely made up. It fits very well, as you can see. I got a medium, and I'm about 5'4", something like that. So if you were going to get something, that might be helpful for you. Here's the label. All the Killstar labels have great things on them, and this one basically sums up a lot of what most of us think. Oh, this is the Killstar Magician Kimono top, and it has Mahusif sleeves. The design is based on the first card of the Major Arcana in a tarot pack called the Magician. Now, I'm wearing a silver vest underneath so that you can see how open the sleeves of the kimono are. Here's the design. It's got an Ouroboros on the design, just like on the tarot card, but the rest of the design is quite different. It's got an inverted pentacle, as you can see there. It's got a sort of vampire skull, as you can see there. Still called the Magician. Here we have the traditional card, and the Magician is not blindfolded. He's demonstrating as above, so below, and he's showing the rod, the sword, the cup, and the pentacles, which are the 4 tarot suits. And these aren't shown on the design that Killstar are giving us. So I'm not sure, but it might, the Ouroboros is still the same, obviously, but there's some hairs and some skulls, and his hands are different, so perhaps it's to avoid copyright, I don't know. Who knows? And the label this time says, "Don't believe everything you think," which is in fact very wise. Ooh, now here we go then. This is the Killstar Sigil Maxi Skirt, which has a handkerchief hem, which I love, and 2 vertical sets of symbols, which I have absolutely no knowledge of. So do please feel free to leave me some ideas if you in fact know what they do mean. This label says Carpe Noctem, which means of course seize the night, and it says change your life, not the channel. Oh, now this last thing is the Night Child beanie, which I got because if you bought 4 things, you got an extra 40% off. So this whole bunch of stuff, plus the postage, came to £38.10, which I think is rather a bargain. And onto the Jawbreaker Viper leggings. They are amazing. I love them. They have the triple goddess, they have the Leviathan, they have a 666, They have an almost caduceus. They have a hexagram. They have moons, suns, symbols of Mercury, etc., etc. And they were less than £20 for these. I got them in a 10. They have a plain back, as you can see, and I love them so much. And last but by no means least, my new lovely slippers. As you can see, they are just perfectly ordinary Primark slippers. I've made bows out of lace and ribbon, so 2 bows sort of tied up together, and then I've used some skulls, which you will remember from my unboxing video I did a couple of videos ago, when my friend Morrigan Ravens sent me a whole bunch of jewellery, and these were earrings, and I thought, well, I need something for my new slippers, and these are absolutely perfect. So these are the new Goth slippers for this season, and why not try something like that yourself? And there we go. All the things that I bought in the sales to zhuzh up my wardrobe a bit. And of course, with the tunic type things, you can wear them with long sleeve tops underneath when it's still a little bit chilly. And in the summer, they'll be beautiful and flowy and cool and lovely. And it just remains for me to say thanks very much for watching. Please give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. It really would be amazing if you could, and it does mean a lot for the channel. If you'd like to buy me a Ko-fi, and thank you very much to everyone that has already done so, follow the link in the description box. And please, everybody, stay safe, look after all the animals and plants and everything to do with the natural world where you can. But above all, don't forget, stay strange. I'll see you next time, everybody. Bye for now.